Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start on the paired iPhone because the Watch app gives the clearest controls. Open the Watch app, tap My Watch, then choose Privacy. This puts sensor permissions where you need them. Once there, you can access the heart rate control directly rather than hunting through multiple menus on the watch. Make sure your watch is unlocked and awake so settings sync immediately. This first step moves you straight into the single place Apple provides to stop heart rate tracking. Now tap heart rate inside Privacy and flip the toggle off. This is the only direct setting Apple exposes to stop the heart rate sensor recording. Once done, the phone will prompt if any apps rely on that data. Decide accordingly and confirm. Make sure the iPhone and watch stay connected while changes sync. If you see no immediate change, open settings on the watch to verify the heart rate switch shows off. This is the core action that disables continuous monitoring. Finish by checking the watch itself. Open Settings Privacy on the Apple Watch and confirm heart rate is off. If the watch still records briefly, restart both devices and wait for the settings to sync fully. This clears cached sensor activity. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort, but note that disabling heart rate stops features like irregular rhythm and workout heart rate metrics. Keep this in mind before re-enabling the sensor for health monitoring.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.